Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can create these shooter with enemies. So let's go. First of all, we'll be using the shooter character from the last tutorial, of course, links in the description, and we will open up the arena shooter level that came with the first person template. When we go into the level, you can see the enemies are spawning, but they don't attack us, and we don't deal any damage, as you can see as well. So we need to change that. First of all, we open up our character, and when we go to the variant shooter, blueprints, AI, and open up the state tree, you can see the target for the sense is player. So we open up our character, search in the details for tag, and then we add up the tag under actor right here. So if we now compile this and hit play, you will see the enemy will attack us. Next, we want to deal some damage. For that, we go back to our Niagara examples, FX weapons, projectile, projectile master. And here we have the event graph with the on component hit. Let's go back here where we handle the hit event. We can pull this out a little bit and unplug this. Then we take out the other actor. We get the instigator controller. And we need a reference to self. From the other actor, we cast to our NPC, so the shooter NPC. From there, we have the apply damage that automatically came with the template. The instigator is of course the instigator. Damage causer is self. And now we can enter some damage, for example 50. Of course, you can adjust this later. And then we connect it to the rest. That's basically it. When we now hit play, the enemy is spawning, shooting at us, and we can shoot him back. But as you can see, the enemy doesn't have any sounds or shoot a bullet. So let's change that. For that, let's go back to our variant shooter, blueprints, AI, and open up the shooter NPC, where we have the weapon class. Let's browse to the weapon here, go back where we have the shooter weapon base, open this up. And when we take a look where we have the event graph, we have the fire event. As well, we have the make noise. We can pull this out a little bit and uncheck this one. Then we say play sound at location. We already have the location down here. Pull this out and say promote a variable. Call this fire sound and make this public. And of course connect to the rest. Now we can choose an projectile sound. Let's choose a pistol close sound here. This one. So now we have the sound. Let's fix the bullets as well. Go to the bullet class. And this will be projectile blueprint projectile master as a class reference. Change variant type. Compile this. Open up the details. Then we can select the impact projectile here. We have one pin that we need to fix up here. Just connect it with a new one. Compile this. Great, let's see if this works. We hit play. The enemy is spawning, shooting at us. And we can shoot him down. And the second one as well. Great. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, goodbye.